Hey everyone, welcome to this beautiful single-story home at 3506 Hawk Haven Drive, Rocklin, California. We are in Sunset Heights in one of Rocklin's most desirable neighborhoods. Now, does this neighborhood have HOA? No. Does it have Melrose? No. But does it have good schools? Yes. Cobblestone Elementary is gonna be rated 7 out of 10. Granite Oaks Middle School is gonna be 8 out of 10. And Rocklin High is gonna be rated 9 out of 10. Now this home is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It has 2,380 square feet of living space and a huge lot at 5,390 square feet. So you guys ready to go? Before we go in, if you have not yet, send a little love to that subscribe button, hit that notification button so you can be the first to know what's going on here in Northern California. All right, guys, let's go check out this house. As soon as we walk in, we have this formal living room, 2 ceiling fans. Love the view of the backyard. Let's take a look. Head into the formal dining room combo. It's got a nice fireplace, a view of the outside as well. Flows right into the kitchen nicely. Let's go take a look at the backyard. It's a partially covered patio. Low maintenance backyard, like that. A lot of privacy, mature trees. Okay, where we go next? The laundry room. Washer and dryer do convey. Take a look at the garage, 3-car garage. And you will be pleasantly surprised that it comes with a beautiful, beautiful car. No, just kidding. And now we're gonna head into the master bedroom. Nice high ceilings. Sliding door to your backyard. Good size. A lot of natural lighting. Nice size walk-in closet. All right, let's go check out the rest of the house. Okay, this will be the 2nd bedroom. 2 closets in there, ceiling fan. Closet in the hallway. And here's the last room in the front of the house. Again, has a lot of natural lighting. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. You can also DM us. And if you have not yet, like I said before, send a little love to that subscribe button and hit that notification button so you can be the first to know what's going on here in Northern California. All right guys, we will catch you on the next one. Peace.